Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect gravity form to any page or any custom URL after form submission in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form. So we are going to redirect form to page or any custom URL. Now back to form. On top you see setting and then you see confirmation. So click on it. So this is our default confirmation. If you want, you can add new. So click on edit and then you see confirmation type, text, page, redirect. So for text you can add message according to requirement. Now you see, and then you see page. Now select. So you can select page according to requirement. You see all pages here and then you see redirect. Now select. So we are going to add custom URL. So we added google.com. So after form submission, form redirect to this website or link. So click on save confirmation. Now loading. Now setting updated. Go to form, refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and scroll down, you see submit button. So click on it. Now you see after form submission, redirect to google.com. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.